J,
Yay!
A, H. Good job. O. That's a big O.
Whoops.
It's okay. R. R is difficult for you, huh?
Whoops.
I.
It's okay.
It's okay. Ooh, that's a big I. E. Another one. And one in the middle. Good job. Oh, that's enough. Only 3. Next L. Baby, next L. Your name has 2 L's, huh? Good job.
That's a little L.
And another one. Good job. And E. Another E.